Tony Budding here with Don Hasselbeck, a name you may know. Played with the New England Patriots for most of your career, right? Tight end?
Was in New England for 6 years, went to the Raiders, the Vikings, Giants, and then no one would have me anymore, so then my career was over.
So you've been with Reebok for how long?
About 20 years.
And so we are here actually at the CrossFit gym within the Reebok headquarters. This is a 10,000 square foot CrossFit gym. And this was a warehouse, right?
Just a warehouse, still part of it is a warehouse, so we just cleaned it up, moved everything up, put some paint on the walls, and put a rubber floor in, and here we go.
You work with athletes, right? That's
Yes.
your job here?
Yes.
And you've already met some of the CrossFit athletes. Mm-hmm. And they've come in, and tell me what that's like. So they come in, teach a class, how does it, what's the...
Well, it's a little bit unique because we're new to the business of CrossFit, so some guys here doing it, but the key for us is to bring the athletes in, get them to sit in front of the developers and designers, whether it's footwear or apparel, so they can understand what their needs are. And then at the same time, they come in here, and this place is filled with 30 or 40 people, from accounts payable to the design department, whatever. People are in here working out, and they're helping to facilitate and teach that class in those different movements. So about a day and a half for each one of them here, but it's been outstanding because for us, culturally, we get ingrained into the culture much quicker than if we were just kind of look at it by ourselves.
Have you guys ever done split jerks, push jerks, or anything like that? Let's grab some PVC pipes and we'll make it real easy. This is a crash course in doing the split jerk. We're gonna go accelerated. It's gonna be imperfect, but we're gonna be safe. Start with your hands just outside your shoulders. I want you to jump yourself into the landing position just from here, and then we're gonna talk about recovery. Go. Good, drive it up. You want to grab the barbell. I'd even go a touch wider here. Go. Good. Okay, so you got to get that same setup, right, where your elbows are here. Good. Go. Good. If you fail, just get out of the way. Good. Stand. Stand. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Good. Good. Jump. Yeah, man. Arms straight, walk backwards. If your nose hits that or that hits your nose, either way it's bad for your nose. All right, Kevin, this is yours, buddy. Good, stand, good, and dump. Good.
I've been in the Reebok gym here for about 9 to 10 years. I run by somebody every day or every other day. I know their face, that's where it ends. I don't know where they work, I don't know if they have family. Within 2 to 3 week period here, I've essentially all those same people. I know what department they work on, what their name is obviously, if they have a wife, if they have kids, what they do outside of work. It's really amazing. It's really changing the dynamic of how we work here and how we interact. It's really powerful.